Welcome to Tech Games, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Imuto Taurus X4 Smart Power. I know I might have got this wrong, how I pronounce that. 20,000 mAh ultra compact battery. So quite a bit of power in there. Let's open this box. So we've got 20,000 ultra compact mAh battery. We've got, it can charge the iPhone up to 8.1 times, so let's say about 8 times. We've got 1.7, so about 2. We've got 5, 6, maybe 7 pushing it with the Galaxy S6 and the S6 Edge, and we've got 4 to 8, which is, I'm saying about 5 or 6, 5 and 6 at a push. So quite a bit from 100%, 20,000 mAh battery is really a lot. So guys, we have got the power bank detects your intelligently and charge your device at the highest possible speed, and it's on and off automatically as you do. And do you know, as you unplug it, do you know when you do the old trick of you plug it in both ways, so you're charging the power bank with the own power, the power bank is smart enough to recognise that, so pretty fast. Even though it says on the S6 and the S6 Edge, it will just say cable charging, it charges, trust me, pretty fast. And I reckon it even does the wireless charging pretty fast as well. So yeah, a wireless charger, you can use it. So let's get into this box. As you saw at the start, it's just compact design, 20,000, smart digital screen, AI power, which will detect what device it is. Fits all USB powered devices, 2 ports, 1 volt plus 2.1 amp, 1 amps plus 2.1 amps, charge 2 devices, but the thing is it's dual, so it will charge it either that amp or the next amp. And yeah, the size 5.4 as you saw at the start. I'm just going to do that. And that's the model number, and weight 16.2. I know it can be a bit heavy, I know a little bit heavy, so it might not be easy just to fit in your pocket, but if you were just taking it, smart backup power, and yeah, it comes with a 24-month warranty. So let's get on to this. So we're talking about 2 years, so a lot. So if anything goes wrong within 2 years, boom, they've got your back. So I moved to Energetic Life. So let's get into the box. So now guys, we're going to be opening the box. Right, so it's pretty nice opening. If you do rip that bit, if you choose to, it's got all the details, like what you can charge it with, the 24 months warranty, and it says about how to use, like you short press the power button like once and it come up with the digital screen, and hold the button for 2 seconds and it'll come up with the LED, and how to charge it. So you can charge it by a certified adapter, like i.e. if you've got your Samsung phone adapter, you can, that's will suffice. I wouldn't get trying all sorts of plugs on it because you don't really want to damage it, but the 24 months is there just in case. Please try and not damage it. And it's flashing when the power bank is charging, which is pretty cool. And you can charge it by PC. It's faster to charge it by plug, but PC is kind of safer, but it does take a while to charge because 20,000 mAh is quite a bit to charge, and I reckon it's got like 4 batteries inside. So guys, the satisfying opening. Right, bear in mind guys, I've already opened this, so if you say, well, oh, the pouch wasn't like that and it was all wrapped up, yes it was. I've already opened it, as you can tell by those marks, because that's pushed against there. But yeah, I've already opened this, so I'm just doing it as an example. So it's nice, satisfying. You get a pouch with it. Gosh, this is it is a heavy power bank. I'm not going to dress it up. So you get your Imuto pouch with it, pretty cool. And yeah, it's water proof, resistant. I wouldn't get chucking it on him, but it's water resistant. We're gonna take the pouch off, and now this is the power bank. So basically guys, you press, if I go and press that button, and that tell you how much percentage there is. You've got 2 USB ports. So guys, as I say, we're doing a review, so I'm going to say about the good and parts. We've got the nice torch. Hold that for 2 seconds. Gosh, that's bright. But yeah, this will probably last for ages if you were only just using it as a torch, because 20,000 milliamp hours with a torch is quite a bit. And drop a like and drop a comment if you like where I'm doing it. I'm doing it on the lounge dining table, so it's pretty good, and it's a lot easier. So there we go. We've talked about the power bank specs, 25 milliamp hour. We've got input micro USB to charge, 5 volts, 2.1 amp. Output USB 1, 5 volts, 2.1 amps. So, and that'd be max for both. 24 months, as I said, and quick charge your phone, your iPhone 6 almost 8 times. iPad Air about 1.7 to 2 times, and as you go, S6, which is 5.7 to 6, maybe 6, and maybe 7 at push. So pretty good, and it's because it charges it the fastest, so that's why. I bet you if you got the fast cable charging off, which is available with Marshmallow on your phone, like on the Galaxy S6 Edge, which I'm using to record, you will be able to obviously accommodate that with just slow charging, because it would use the power up quickly. But you want a fast charge, and plus 20,000 hours, pretty a lot. So this is basically the battery. I'm going to go and get 2 devices now, and yes, we have seen the devices before. We've seen one device on the review on Tech Games, and we've seen, and obviously you've seen this device. So I love the pouch, and all the specs I've pretty much said. All the specs will be in the description. So yeah, now on to the charging. Right guys, now on to the 2 devices. Bear in mind guys, we are recording this in 4K. It'll be top end 1080p because I can't render in 4K. Plus it takes a long time to upload. So we have got the well-known, as I've done before, the Bright Sound Bluetooth speaker, as you can see here. If I do go back a bit, it's pretty hard to see the top. There you go, the top. I'll just push that back a bit so you can see it. We've got obviously the rechargeable battery, 20,000 milliamp hours, and as I will say, that's a lot of hours. So it's quite a bit of charging. We have got an iPad. So we're going to get the iPad open here, and we're going to we just go on lock screen because yeah, that's all we need. Right, yeah, go on here. So we're going to be plugging these in literally at the same time, and it will be charging it at the correct. And guys, as I say, here you go. You get a nice Imuto USB here with the IM logo there, and the Imuto name branded on the USB. So you can use this for charging, which is here, which is showed by the flash, which I'm just going to show you about charging quickly. Just charging it, you plug it into a USB power source, either a plug or a laptop or a computer, and it just literally starts flashing. But because mine's at 100%, it won't. But yeah, literally you plug it in like that and it comes on and starts flashing. So now the more interesting bit with this cable. Bear in mind, if you've got an iPhone and all that, you kind of screwed to, you will have to go and get your other cable. But with or any other phone that doesn't support micro USB, but they give you micro USB. So if you're a Samsung lover and you have Samsung, or you have something with a micro USB, you're fine. So we plug these in. Now I'm just going to show you can't do the old trick of just plugging that in and just doing that. See, it won't charge. It even recognises its own device, so it is AI smart power. So to do this, we're going to just get up. I'm just going to get that like that, and then we're going to just plug this in 3, 2, 1, go. So that will recognise that, so the 100% actually just comes on straight away. So that's doing it for that volt, so it will recognise what the speaker needs, so they kind of talk to each other. This kind of says, oh, this is what the power needs for this. And then also, if you plug in another thing, it doesn't slow down because of the loading. Said this is pretty much 2 devices at the amperes that you need, and it'll charge it as fast as possible. See, that's just gone up to 21%, so that is pretty fast. So this will charge at the amperes that you need for any device, so anything. And even I wouldn't recommend just powering devices, but yes, you can just power fully charged devices or devices that just need powering, which I'm going to show you now. And guys, even just a USB fan, I wouldn't recommend keeping it on because it's kind of pointless, but it's pretty cool and it will recognise the voltage it needs for running. So just press that, and this it's so smart, it will let you do it, and it'll just recognise the voltage that you need. So let's say you need a fan, boom, right in, so it will recognise what the voltage is and it will spin, and it is a clock as well. And that is a kind of review that I'm going to do. Overall, is it really good? I would recommend it to buy. Not sure how much you can buy it for. I will link a link in the description. We're looking about 30 pounds, but really amazing product. I would recommend it. And guys, really good, high quality. So guys, I'm just going to quickly show you the charging just before I go, and hopefully you enjoyed all the cuts and all that at the start. I really went all out, and yeah, I'm going to be editing it in a minute. So let's just move this over, the fan in the background, and let's just move the fan out the background and the box out the background. So guys, moment of truth. All you do is, and you can even charge your device while it's not charging, but there's no point. And there you go, it just flash. It won't take long to charge from 99%. And there you go, you can have your torch on the go. So pretty amazing. Torch, waterproof pouch. I'd really recommend this. And yeah guys, my review is done. Any questions, comment down below. I will link a link to the Amazon page in the description, so if there's anything about the specs, everything's in the description to do with the link to the Amazon page. I will be updating my Tech Games website. Any recommendations, just ask me, tweet me, Mr. Tontoman 2000. That is for my personal gaming channel, but this is my reviewing, so just tweet me at Mr. Tontoman 2000. And everything's in the description. I won't create separate, but yeah, this is just my separate account for reviewing. So hopefully you enjoyed this Tech Games video. Remember guys, it is the Imuto, let's just get that in there, Imuto Smart Power 20 milliamp hour ultra compact battery. So, and it's Taurus 4 X4. So smart power 20,000 ultra compact milliamp hour battery. So yeah, and it's made by Imuto. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave, that's annoying me now, be sure to leave a like, and guys, I'm going to do the coming soon to Tech Games, and you are really going to enjoy what we got. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like, smash the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Today we're going to be reviewing the amazing Gear VR made by Oculus. We might be in a different location. Tune in next time. Today we're going to be reviewing the wireless charging pad for a Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge or S7. We might be in a different location, so tune in next time.